Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you sign out of your account from GoCardless.com. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign out of your account from GoCardless, you just simply have to open your browser and open your account in GoCardless.com. And after signing in, this page will appear. Now, in order to sign out, you just simply have to tap into this gear icon just beside three bars, and after tapping into there, you will get the option of sign out. Tap into sign out and then you will successfully be signed out of your account into here. This way, you can very easily sign out of your GoCardless account. I hope this video was informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.